To profit in 2023, you need just 3 things: free traffic, and more free traffic. And in 2023, the king of traffic is still free Google buyer traffic. But for 99% of people, that's way too much work. Unless you get a Google loophole. To get Google traffic to any website or affiliate link, you need these free Google AI 3-in-1 new Google AI software. The world's first cloud-based app connects to GPT plus Google SERP for two-way AI to AI Convos that does everything you need to finally get buyer traffic. With keyword AI, article writer plus traffic bots, all preloaded. It's the first ever Google AI app. Just imagine getting real daily buyers. This is a blazing new way to drive free Google traffic to any website or affiliate links. So you get free traffic from Google 24/7, 100% automated and unlimited, and in less time than was ever possible before. In just 4 steps, unlock free Google traffic forever. Step 1. Enter any seed keyword into AI and the conversation begins. Step 2. The app will find the most profitable, trending, and easiest keywords that make the fastest Google ranking. Step 3. Ask GPT to analyze the current Google SERP results to decide what article it can best write to instantly get free Google clicks. Step 4. Watch as the AI writes 1,000-word articles on easy, profitable, new, low-competition Google keywords. With zero human interaction. Visit the link in the description box now to check out this all-in-one app to see what I mean.